and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and do a skincare routine. I'm only doing it because everybody asks me what I do to my skin to keep it like under control and stuff like that. Alright, so I just want to put a disclaimer out there. Let me just say this. Your skin is not somebody else's skin. My skin is not somebody else's skin. So any certain products may work good for you and work horrible for me. Some products will work perfect for me and will be absolutely shit for you. So I just want to put that out there. Yes, you do have to drink a lot of water. Yes, your diet does play a big part in your hair, skin routines as far as flourishing. So yeah, alright, so of course you want to start on the wet face. This is going to be a little weird for me because I do my skincare, most of my skincare routine in the shower. So yeah, it's gonna be a little weird. I mean, yes, my hair is fucked up. I went out last night, have not done it, so just ignore me. First, after you wash your face, you do have to wash your face. So lately I've been using this Egg White Perfect Pore Cleansing Foam with Pore Control by Skin Food. I don't know if you can see it. It is a cream-based facial cleanser, so it's gonna come out like this. And please, I hope you guys are washing your hands before you do your skincare routine. A little goes a long way. Alright, so guys, this is my first voiceover, so please bear with me. I am new at this, so just sit back and enjoy the ride. Thank you. Once you get it lathered, this is optional. This is what I do because I feel like you get it better clean. So I have the Vanity Planet. I don't know, there's two different kinds. This is like the $45 one. I got it off of Groupon like a year ago. And then they have like the cheap one. It has two speeds. So this is the low one and this is the fast one. Alright, so I am washing my face, as you can see. So this goes ahead and it helps me basically get a deeper clean than just using my bare hands. As you can see in the video, it's kind of weird because I didn't wash it in the sink, so it's not setting up correctly. But you kind of get the point. So yeah. We're gonna go ahead and exfoliate. I'm gonna use the Biore Pore Unclogging Scrub. So I don't really use like expensive stuff. Sometimes I do, sometimes most of the time I don't. Y'all, this is why I wash my face in the shower. Do you see that fucking white line? Like, are you fucking serious? Alright, so here I am applying my exfoliator. So pretty much I do this, I try to do this every day, even though you're not supposed to, but it helps with like dark marks. It helps get the pores like really, really clean. It helps get rid of dead skin, shed things like that. Also, I kind of keep it on while I'm showering because I kind of use it as like a quick mask while I'm in the shower so it penetrates everything evenly. I did do a method before, like where I applied it before I washed my face, just to see like, you know, how, like if it removes enough dirt before. It did not work, so please don't do it that way, guys. But anyway, you can get this from any Walmart. You know, I don't, like I said before, I really don't use expensive face products. I did for a moment, so I'm kind of like going back to what I was doing before, slowly but surely. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this step. So this is pretty much the step where you're getting out of the shower. So I don't dry my face with a towel. You never should, because like literally the terry cloth in the towel can irritate your skin. So what I do is I usually grab like a piece of paper to like, I'm using my ring light box, and I just, it's so amazing. Toning, now toning like that helps like your pH balance in your skin and stuff like that is really important. I've been having a lot of issues with my skin lately. So I kind of had to go old school. So this is basically like my toner for the moment. So I don't know if you remember this back in the day, Stridex. And this is the maximum strength one. So it's been working because I've been getting a lot of breakouts. I've never had like a problem with zits. I would usually get like zits like twice a year. Now I'm getting them like every couple weeks. All right, so right here you see me using the Stride X blemish pads. This is the extreme pack. I'm only using this because at the time I filmed this video, I broke out really bad, so it kind of helps with that. I started using these like my junior year or sophomore year of high school. When I first started using them, they dried the shit out of my skin. Like, it looked like I had sunburn. It might do the same to you. It does warn you on the pack, but once you get used to it, it does not do that anymore. And then I usually use the Neutrogena toner, but I was just using this for the moment. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize, and like I told you, I've been having a lot of breakouts due to diet, and I know due to stress too. Also, a lot of the products that used to work for me don't work for me anymore. Like, not only have I been getting like blemishes, but lately I noticed I've been getting like, I want to call it allergic reactions. Like, I don't know, like it kind of looks like eczema sometimes. So, you know, nobody's skin is perfect, but for the most part, I really don't have issues. So I'm just going to go ahead and use to moisturize. I'm going to use Cetaphil. So yeah, I'm just going to use a little bit. I don't use a lot because I don't like my face like mad greasy, and I'm going to use that much. So yeah, I was pretty much only using this because it's for sensitive skin. Like I said, at the time, my skin was really sensitive. But usually I use like aloe vera gel. Now this tea tree oil is like a mixture with witch hazel, which is basically like a toner or astringent. So this is pretty much my favorite step in my skincare routine, using tea tree oil. I've been using it for years. I love it. It's antibacterial. It helps with dark spots. It gets rid of literally blemishes overnight. I will never take it out of my skincare routine. I've been using it, and it's, you know, 100% natural, and it will get your skin glowing. These I've recently found. I got these from Walmart. They're the blemish patches. So basically it's a non-medicated hydrocolloid spot treatment. So it protects blemishes from dirt, debris, and infections, blends in with the skin for daytime and overnight use, reduces inflammation and redness, and gently absorbs impurities. So it has 36 patches in it, and some are big, some are small. So as you can tell, there's like small ones and big ones, and I usually use them according to the size of the blemish. So, you know, this one is kind of big. This shit fucking hurts, okay? So I have the Revitalizing Rose Mist by Sway, New York. I don't know, but it's made in Korea. So Korean stuff is usually bomb.com, and I use like a lot of their stuff. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and you know, I'm gonna go ahead and leave all my links down. Of course, I'm gonna leave like my Universe website where you can pretty much get everything, but I'm also gonna leave my Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, this, that, and the third. So you guys have a good one. Bye.